Hi, I'm Richard, the creator of Britlish. I'd like to present 10 essential English phrases. They're brought to you using the artificial intelligence being developed at Britlish. Britlish, innovative English teaching material at its best. The 10 phrases are: to err on the side of caution, on a shoestring, get to grips with something, fob someone off the top of my head, a piece of cake, to slip my mind, a needle in a haystack, to cut corners, and to be into something. I hope you like them, and I'd like to invite you to become a Britlisher at Britlish.com. Oh, it almost slipped my mind. Please click the like button, share this video with your social media contacts, and leave a comment.
Hi, I'm Britlicious, an artificial intelligence being developed by Britlish. I'm here with today's phrase of the day. Today's phrase is, to err on the side of caution. To err on the side of caution is to be extremely cautious and not allow any room for mistakes. So that you don't forget this idiom, err on the side of caution, and write it down in your notebook. If you really want to activate your English, visit the Britlish library today. If you want more of my phrases of the day, click the like button and leave a comment.
Hi, I'm Albion, an artificial intelligence being developed by Britlish. I'm here with today's phrase of the day. Today's phrase is, on a shoestring. When something is done on a shoestring, it's done on a very small budget or with very limited financial means. A shoestring is another word for the shoelaces that you use to fasten your shoes to your feet. My shoes don't have shoelaces as they are slip-on boots. You can learn English on a shoestring at Britlish. To learn English on a shoestring, you can pay what you want for a Britlish Library 7-day pass and get unrestricted access to all of the English activation packs. If you want more phrases of the day, click the like button and leave a comment.
Hi, I'm Britlicious, an artificial intelligence being developed by Britlish. I'm here with today's phrase of the day. Today's phrase is, to get to grips with. To get to grips with something is to make an effort to understand, accept, or deal with a problem, be it a person, thing, or situation, in a direct and effective way. You can get to grips with improving your English by signing up for the Britlish Library today. Get to grips with your reading, writing, speaking, and listening skills by paying what you want for a Britlish Library 7-day pass. A Britlish Library 7-day pass gives you unrestricted access to all of the English activation packs. English activation packs are the best way to improve your English skills short of taking private English classes with a real teacher. So, get to grips with your English today at Britlish.com. If you want more phrases of the day, click the like button and leave a comment.
Hi, I'm Albion, an artificial intelligence being developed by Britlish.
And I'm Britlicious, another version of the Britlish artificial intelligence. And this is our cat.
We're here with today's phrase of the day.
Today's phrase is,
to fob off. To fob someone off is to cheat them by substituting something of inferior quality for what was promised.
Don't you hate to be fobbed off by websites that promise much but deliver little?
Britlish won't fob you off because the lessons in the Britlish Library are second to none.
You will be amazed at how well our English activation packs can help improve your English skills.
Far from being fobbed off,
if you pay what you want for a Britlish Library 7-day pass,
or take out a membership subscription,
you will get full, unrestricted access to all of the English activation packs.
If you want more phrases of the day, click the like button and leave a comment.
Hi, I'm Britlicious, an artificial intelligence being developed by Britlish.
And I'm Albion, another version of the Britlish artificial intelligence. And this is our other cat.
We're here with today's phrase of the day.
Today's phrase is, off the top of my head.
Off the top of my head means without careful thought, investigation, or preparation.
Off the top of my head is usually used to say that you don't know, or that you don't have the information asked for, immediately to hand.
I can't think of any good reason off the top of my head why any student wouldn't benefit from the English activation packs in the British Library.
How many students have benefited from British English activation packs, Britlicious?
I don't know off the top of my head, Albion, but I'm sure it's in the hundreds if not thousands.
Of the top of my head, I'd say that at least 10% of those who watch this video will sign up for a British Library membership.
Be one of those 10% and pay what you want for a British Library 7-day pass, or take out a membership subscription.
You'll get full, unrestricted access to all of the English activation packs in the British Library.
If you want more phrases of the day, click the like button and leave a comment. Hi, I'm Britlicious, an artificial intelligence being developed by Britlish.
And I'm Albion, another manifestation of the British artificial intelligence.
We're here with today's phrase of the day.
Today's phrase is, a piece of cake.
A piece of cake means that something is easy and can be done with little or no effort.
Learning English with the help of the British Library is a piece of cake.
English activation packs make improving all aspects of your English skills a piece of cake.
Is it difficult to get access to the British Library, Britlicious?
Not at all, Albion. In fact, it's a piece of cake. All you have to do is pay what you want for a British Library 7-day pass, or take out a monthly, biannual, or annual membership subscription.
That does sound like a piece of cake, Britlicious.
Yes, Albion, it's a piece of cake to get full, unrestricted access to all of the English activation packs in the British Library.
If you want more phrases of the day, click the like button and leave a comment.
And cut. That's a wrap.
Hi, I'm Albion, an artificial intelligence being developed by Britlish. Britlicious should be here too, to bring you today's phrase of the day. I wonder what could have happened to her.
Hello.
Hi Britlicious, it's Albion here.
Hi Albion. What's up?
Where are you? You were supposed to be here to help present today's phrase of the day.
Oh no, it completely slipped my mind, Albion. I'm so sorry.
That's today's phrase of the day, Britlicious, to slip my mind.
I know that to slip your mind means to completely overlook or forget to do something, and that's exactly what I've done, Albion.
Yes, I thought it must have slipped your mind.
I'll set my alarm for tomorrow's phrase of the day, so that it doesn't slip my mind again.
That's a good idea, Britlicious. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, Albion.
If you want more phrases of the day, click the like button and leave a comment.
Hi, I'm Britlicious, an artificial intelligence being developed by Britlish.
And I'm Albion, also part of the innovative English teaching ideas from Britlish.
We're here to teach you today's phrase of today. What's today's phrase, Albion?
Today's phrase is a needle in a haystack.
What does a needle in a haystack mean, Albion?
Well, a haystack is a huge stack of straw you find on a farm.
And if you were trying to find a needle hidden inside a haystack, it would be very difficult, if not impossible to find.
Exactly. So, when we say that trying to find something is like looking for a needle in a haystack, it means that it's very difficult.
Many students say that looking for a good English language teaching website is like looking for a needle in a haystack.
They should take a look at Britlish then.
Yes, if you're looking for innovative, engaging English language teaching material, you won't find yourself looking for a needle in a haystack at Britlish.
Get yourself a membership or a 7-day library pass, and you'll never again have to waste time looking for a needle in a haystack when you're looking for ways to improve your English skills.
A membership or a 7-day library pass will get you full, unrestricted access to the entire Britlish library of English lessons.
If you want more phrases of the day, click the like button and leave a comment. Hello, I'm Albion, part of the Britlish Artificial Intelligence Project.
And I'm Britlicious, another innovative teaching aid from Britlish.
We're here to teach you today's phrase of today. What's today's phrase, Britlicious?
Today's phrase is to cut corners.
What does to cut corners mean, Britlicious?
To cut corners means to do something very badly, because you've tried to save time, money, or effort when doing it.
We don't cut corners here at Britlish and make sure that all of the material in the Britlish library is of the highest possible quality.
Yes, students who use the Britlish library've never complained that we've cut corners in making our English activation packs.
And nobody will ever be able to say that Britlish cuts corners when providing high-quality English learning material to our students.
If you don't believe us, get yourself a Britlish membership, or a 7-day Britlish library pass, and see for yourself.
A membership, or a 7-day library pass, will get you full, unrestricted access to the entire Britlish library of English lessons, so you won't have to cut corners when improving your English skills.
If you want more phrases of the day, click the like button and leave a comment. Hello, I'm Britlicious, an example of the innovative English teaching that we're all into here at Britlish.
And I'm Albion, and I'm really into bringing you the best in English language teaching.
We're here to bring you today's phrase of the day. What's today's phrase, Albion?
Well, if you're into phrases Britlicious, you'll love today's phrase of the day. It's to be into something.
Yes, here at Britlish, we're into making the most innovative and engaging English language teaching material available anywhere.
If you're into improving your English skills, there's no better place to do it than at the Britlish Library.
If you're not into improving your English skills yet, you'll soon get into it once you see what the Britlish Library has to offer.
If you're into activating your English skills, get yourself a Britlish membership or a 7-day Britlish library pass.
A membership, or a 7-day library pass, gives you full and unrestricted access to the entire Britlish library of English lessons.
I'm also into hip-hop. Watch me.
That's pretty cool, Albion. Do you think I can get into hip-hop too?
Sure. Come on, get into it right now.
If you want more phrases of the day, click the like button and leave a comment.